Are you looking to build business credit? The fastest way to build business credit is through a shelf corporation. What's a shelf corporation? Well, it's just that. It's a corporation that was built and put on a shelf to age, because we all know the struggles of building business credit with a brand new business. They simply just aren't aged enough. So when we go to banks and credit unions and creditors, a lot of times they say, hey, you just haven't been in business for enough time, because based on the Secretary of State, you are a new business. And that's exactly why people buy shelf corporations. So they have already purchased an established business that has been around for 4+ years. And we offer those shelf corporations. And believe me when I tell you, I just had someone join the credit community because of course, credit community members will receive a discount on shelf corporations, business trade lines, personal trade lines, you name it. So you need to join the credit community. But inside of the credit community, not only do we offer shelf corporations and discounts and trade lines, but you don't have to be a member in order to get access to our shelf corporations. I've left a link below. Click on the link and you can view our latest inventory of shelf corporations and you can view the pricing on them. Most people are selling these similar shelf corporations for $10,000 or more, okay? You are not going to pay even half of that with us. So visit the link in the description, get access to our shelf corporations. The best locations for shelf corporations, those are going to be the locations on our list. Why? Because it's not going to show the business transfer. And I know you probably have a lot of questions, but I've left a link below in the description for you to watch a more detailed video explaining how shelf corporations work, some of the benefits, and these are the exact credit topics that we go over inside of the credit community. So if you haven't joined the credit community, again, a link is in the description for you to join the credit community so you can get access to discounted shelf corporations, discounted trade lines for both personal credit and business credit. I'll see you next time. And until then, take action.